Umintri rangba kajalau konrod kisangma ka step si balang ulalait ban Jurip ek cancer wing kabadan sinda jang civil hospital Shillong ringkat kajing don lang ki he katanat ka kot ka kya batru ki doktor hakani kajing le Jurip umintri ula Bthah ban Pyntreikam Pura no e baro ki Kamra jang te ka wing kenang man pensuk ki kinong pang ki bawan sya sumar hakani kaju ka step umintri ula le ru ban Jurip ya kajing Pyntreikam ka Shillong Government College of Engineering Meghalaya Kabalaya Chakmat ringkat.
We came to the cancer wing of the civil hospital here in Shillong to see the work going on in the cancer wing. So, as you're aware that during the COVID time, this was also used as a COVID center, and certain things had to be changed and overall improvement had to be made. So, I'm happy to see that a lot of progress has been made. And we are hopeful that by the end of the month or by the first week of December, the entire civil work that is required to make this functional will be complete. Of course, the equipments, the new equipments will take some more time to come because it's being done through a different process. But in the meantime, at least the facilities, other facilities, the different wards for female and male wards and the daycare wards, they will be ready, and hence it will be ready to be used, while we can still continue using the machines that were there earlier till the new machines come. So we're happy to see that it's progressing fast, and we should be able to make it fully 100% functional by the first week or second week of December. You have a map of this? So we have it. Yeah. You see here or is it here?
We have a room, sir.
It makes more sense. I mean, all are required, but for us, it requires such. You can tell them that in 2 weeks time.
Again, after you, say Shillong,
We have enough beds in 2 weeks. But this thing is very of course, classroom is also important, but Thank you, my request.